Guys, coupon codes is one of the oldest thing we use in our marketing strategy for a business, and it's always been an effective way to boost our conversion rates and to increase the customer's loyalty. Previously, it have been used in paper forms, now we use them digitally as codes. Guys, my name is Akib and I welcome you on our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send coupon codes to your website subscribers automatically as they register on your website on their WhatsApp accounts. Yes guys, let me show you how. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here you can see I have used Fluent Forms, which is a plugin of WordPress to create a website form. And here, as and when any of your lead or customer is going to fill this form and submit, the details of the coupon code and the customer is going to be added in a spreadsheet application, which is used here as Google Sheets, and simultaneously a coupon code will be delivered on the WhatsApp account of the same person who have filled the form. Okay, and all this is going to happen automatically, and to make this we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to start with this automation, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect. And from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. So just do it, sign up right now, and then reach here on the dashboard. Alright, and we have pasted the link in the description as well, and as you sign up you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and guys, here from the dashboard you have to create a workflow. So just click here on the create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow guys. So I'm giving the name here as send coupon codes on WhatsApp. Alright. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things only. Trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow. This means it is going to make this workflow know that it is time to run, and as it is going to run, the action would be the response towards the trigger. And what action will do? Action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. As in this use case, the trigger would be the submission of a form that we have embedded in our website, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the coupon code to the customer or the person who have filled the form, right? So first of all you need to set up the trigger, and here you have to choose the application in which you have created the form. So I have used Fluent Forms plugin guys, so you have to search for it here. You can see Fluent Forms is here, select it, and the trigger event would be a new form submission, and here it will give you this Webhook URL. So with the help of this URL we are going to make a connection with Fluent Forms plugin, and after that we are going to fetch the response of that Webhook connection also. Okay, so you can read the instructions written here. You need to reach the settings of your WordPress dashboard, and in the WP Webhooks section you will find the plugin and all the things. You can read it carefully. Let me show you how exactly you can perform this. So guys, this is my WordPress website, WordPress dashboard, and here on the left hand side panel you will find the settings option, and under the settings you will find this WP Webhooks option. Click on WP Webhooks. Okay, so this is used to make the Webhook connections, and here on this page you will find this send data tab. Click on send data. Alright, and on this page you will find the Fluent Forms option from here. Let me show you. When you scroll down you will find the plugins, and the Fluent Form is here. So click on this form submitted option and under the Fluent Forms, and under the this section guys you have to click on this add Webhook URL button, and under this button it will ask for the name. So here you can give a name to this Webhook connection. So I'm giving the name here as coupon codes. Okay, you can give any name, And here in the webhook URL field here, you have to copy this URL and paste it. So just let me copy this, and I'm going back to my WordPress, and here I'm pasting the webhook URL like this, and then click on add for fluent form submitted option, and you can see a new webhook connection is added here that you will find here when you scroll down in the last. This is the coupon codes, okay, that I have created, and here you have to click on this three dots on the right, okay, and then click on settings, and under the settings, let me read the instructions again. Under the settings, you have to select triggers on selected forms on which you want to add the webhook. Okay, so you have to select from your here you can see in this window in the settings, if we have this option trigger on selected forms, here you have to select the form from which you want to take the data. Okay, so here I am selecting this subscriber form. Okay, then scroll down here, then click on save settings, and we are done making the connection. So settings are saved here. Now you can close this window, and now you can see in your workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to the trigger event. That means we have to fill the form and we have to capture the data of that form submission here in this workflow. Okay, so let me open the form. This is the form I have created, and let me fill in the details here. You can fill any details according to you. So this will act as the test data for us. So here I'm putting the name as Jordan Peterson, let's say, and here this is the email ID of this person, and here you have to put the WhatsApp number. Okay, like this. Then click on submit form, and you can see the form is getting submitted. Alright, and the form is submitted. Here you can see the form is submitted. Now let me show you. Here it is written, we will get coupon code for LTD on your WhatsApp number shortly. Alright, let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this submission. And here you can see, guys, the form's response is captured here like this. The name of the person is this, Jordan Peterson, the email ID, the WhatsApp number, and all things related to the form submission are captured here like this. Okay, so guys, after getting the test data here, what we want to create a coupon code first, and after that we are going to save the details of the customer and the coupon code in this spreadsheet like this. Okay, in this spreadsheet I want to save the data of the person and the codes. Then after that we are going to send those codes on the WhatsApp. So to create a code, guys, you can use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called datetime formatter. Search for datetime formatter here, select it, and in the action events select this current date option, so it will retrieve the current date. Okay, then click on connect. So here it is asking the format, so from here choose this format, guys, YYMMDD and a T in between and hours and minutes and seconds. Select this one. Do not include time in the response, keep it false only, and click on save and send test request. So basically it will give you the current date and time in this format. Current date means the date on which you are receiving the form submission. Okay, this is the date and time in this format. Now with the help of this label, guys, we are going to convert this label into a different thing which is called timestamp. So it will give you a string of numbers, and that unique numbers can be used as coupon codes. Okay, so here just click on this plus icon, and from this actions tab search for datetime formatter again. All right, and in the action event, now you have to use this action event which is format date only. Let me show you. This is the option, format date only, and then click on connect. And here in the date section you have to map this date time label, guys. Okay, so to get this label mapped here, just click here and it will show you the previous steps in the drop down. So from the second step, map this label. Okay, and here it is asking from which format you got the date. So I got the date in this format, YYMMDD and a T in between. So this exact format is already selected here, so do not need to do anything here. And in the to format, guys, you have to click and scroll down, and from here you need to select this option which is called timestamp. Let me show you. Here you can see the timestamp option. Okay, select this, then click on save and send test request, and it will convert the date and time label into something like this, the string of numbers. So guys, you can use this number as the coupon code, because every time you receive any form submission, these labels are going to change according to the date and time, and a unique code will be generated like this. Okay, so we are done generating the code. Now click here on this plus icon, and now I want to add the details of the customer, the subscriber and the code in my spreadsheet application. Okay, so from here search for Google Sheets, which is here, select it, and in the action event you have to select add new row option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with Google Sheets. And from here you have to select the Google account by which you have created that sheet, like this. Alright, and then give the additional access to that account. Just click on continue, and you can see we are getting connected again. Alright, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet's name is subscribers sheet. So you have to select this sheet from this list. Search for subscriber. Okay, select it, and you can see the sheet's name got automatically selected here, which is coupon. You can see here the name of the sheet is coupon only. Okay, right, and now it is asking for the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the coupon code. So guys, these fields are nothing but the headers that I have here of the columns. Okay, so to get these get this data filled automatically, we need to map the values of these columns or the headers here in the workflow. Okay, so let's start mapping the data. Just click here, and you will get the name of the customer or the subscriber from the first step where we have received the test submission. Okay, so here is the name. Let me map the full name, guys. Okay, so if we have last name column here, so let me map the last name here. For the email, use the same way and map the email. For the phone number also, map the same way. Alright, and then after that it is asking for the coupon code. So here I am going to use this third step to map this timestamp. Okay, so if you are generating these coupon codes, let's say for first 50 customers or first 100 customers, something like that, you can change, you can add something here also. So here let me put first 50. Okay, so I have attached this thing also to this number. So this string of number is going to change with every new form submission, and it will create a unique coupon code for every of your subscriber. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and you will see a new row will be added here in your spreadsheet. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response. Let me show you in my spreadsheet, and here you can see the customer's name is here, Jordan Peterson, the email, the phone number, and the coupon code is added here like this. Okay, so connection is working fine with the Google Sheet. Now guys, I want to send this coupon code to the same subscriber on his or her WhatsApp. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. Okay, so to send messages on WhatsApp, we are using Cloud API setup, and here in the action event you have to select send template message option, then click on connect, and from here if you're making the connection with the Cloud API setup for the very first time, select add new connection, and here you can see you can rename this connection from this field. Okay, you can give a name to this connection, and then it will ask for the permanent access token of your cloud API setup, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, you need to watch the videos first on how to set up the cloud API for your business, and we have pasted the links in the description where we have clearly and thoroughly explained everything about the cloud API setup. So do watch those videos, and after that you can use this feature here. And guys, if you are here in your workflow and you want to find out about the permanent access token, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, which is called forum.pabbly.com. And in the threads you will find these videos on complete cloud API setup, and it's working inside Pabbly Connect, and how to generate the permanent access token, and then how to use this setup in the trigger and in the action, and you will find the instructions and the screenshots for everything you need to know about the cloud API setup, right? So you can check this page also. For these things guys, I can show you my cloud API setup actually. So guys, this is Meta for developers page. Here I am clicking on my apps, and here I have created these apps, and I am using this My Connect message app. Here I have set up my cloud API for WhatsApp. Okay, and you can see we have this WhatsApp option here on the left hand side, and I'm clicking on getting started. Under the getting started page, first you will get a temporary access token. Okay, so guys, temporary tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one, and you can watch the videos from the description or from this forum page on how to generate a permanent token. Okay, right? And after getting your permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe, because that is a one-time task only. Once you got your permanent token generated, you can use the same tokens afterwards also to make the connections with your workflow. Okay, so you just have to paste the token here, and after that you have to find phone number ID and WhatsApp account ID, which you will find here in the getting started page only. This is it. So copy this phone number ID and paste it here. Similarly, paste this account ID and copy this account ID and paste it here, right? After filling these three things, just click on save, and your connection will be made with the cloud API, and the connection will be saved here inside your workflow or your Pabbly Connect account like this. Okay, so guys, making the connection by this process, by selecting the add new connection option and filling these three things, is also a one-time task only. Once you made the connection by this process, the connection will be saved here, and you can rename that connection also from here. And after that, if you want to make the connection again, you can use this existing connection option only. Okay, as I have already made a connection in a different workflow previously by this process, I can select that existing connection again this time. Let me show you. Here I'm selecting the existing option, and here you can see we have the list of all the previous connections that we have done, and from here I'm going to choose my connection, which was this cloud API final one that I have renamed. Okay, now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again like this. Okay, and now guys, here it is asking for the message templates name. So guys, let me first show you what message templates are. I am going back to the cloud API setup, and here you can read to create your own message template, click here. So just click on this here word, and you will reach this page, and here are the message templates I have created. Okay, so guys, let me show you the one I am using, which is here. Name of this template is coupon_code. So guys, message templates are nothing but the standard message structures that you need to create here beforehand to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at once. And guys, you can see here the preview of the message. This is how the message is going to appear on WhatsApp when I'm going to send. Hi, Roger Binney. Thanks for signing up. Here is the code for the LTD. Okay. So you can also create such message templates, and here you can see you need to place some variable tags also like this 1 and 2 in your message templates, so that you can change a few things in your message template every time you send a message, like the name of the customer and the coupon code. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see this create message template button. By clicking on it, you will reach this page. Here you can select the category in which you want to create a template. So we have transactional category, we have marketing and OTPs. So you can select any. I am selecting marketing for now to show you the example. Now you can give a name to this template also. You can select the language in which you want to send the message. After that, just click on continue from here, and here you can see, and in this header you can send an image, a video or a document, and here in the body box you can enter the main message that you want to send. Like this, you can just put here, you can type your message here like this, and if you want to place the body fields or the variable tags here, you just have to click here on this add variable button, and this is how a tag will be added in your template. Okay, after that you can put a footer also, or you can add a call to action button. Here you can see the preview also of your message template like this. Okay, and that's how you can create one. So after creating the template, you just have to submit it, and Facebook is going to review that template and approve it. So it will just take a few minutes, and after that you can use it in your workflow. So here guys, I am using this one, coupon underscore code, that I have created for this purpose. So I'm going to select it from this list. Here you can see I have this template here. Select this, and you can see the language code and the ID will be auto populated. No need to do anything. Here it is asking for the recipient's WhatsApp number. So guys, here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of your website subscriber and whose test data we have captured here in this first step. So from this test data, I'm going to use this input text label, okay, to map it here, so that the phone numbers is going to change automatically with every new form submission. So guys, the things you map here like this, like I'm mapping the phone number. Whenever you receive a form submission, these labels are going to change and a new message will be delivered to your new subscriber or on new WhatsApp number. Okay, and you have to put this number in this format, you can see, with a country code and without any plus sign. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to remember. And guys, here it is asking for the body fields 1 and 2. So I can show you the template. Already I have shown you that we have two variables here, or the body fields 1 and 2. And to get the values of these two variables change with every new message, we need to map the values of these body fields here inside the workflow. So in the first field, I want to place the name of my customer like this. Let me map the full name. Okay, and in the second body field, I'm going to map the I'm going to map the coupon code that I want to send. And so guys, you will find the coupon code from this third step where we have changed the date time into this timestamp. Okay, just map it, and let me change it a bit. I have to add a few things manually, which is this first 50. Okay, because we are sending this code to the first 50 subscribers. Okay, now guys, I can show you how the message is going to appear on WhatsApp, because I have the access to this WhatsApp account. So by clicking on save and send test request, you can send a test message to this WhatsApp number. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, this is the message we have received, you can see, and the message is this: hi Jordan Peterson, thanks for signing up. Here is the code for the LDT, limited time deal. You can see the code is the same, okay, and the name is placed here automatically in the message. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. This is the same code and this is the same name. So connection is working properly, and we are done setting up this automation. So guys, you need to set up this automation only once. After that, it is going to run automatically as and when your customers or your user is going to fill your website form. Okay, so guys, you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.